If you are watching this video, that means you are a new student, and I just want to give you a little bit of information about how to navigate my classroom, specifically for chemistry. So your class page should look like this. You would just select whatever chemistry class you are in for me. I would have sent you an email telling you like, hey, you're new, these are the assignments I'm exempting you from, and these are the things that I want you to do. So at any rate, within the email, I tell you to start at the new student start here. This is intended for you to start here. So if you click that, it will launch another screen for you, and I mentioned that I would like you to do two things, which is a new student assignment. It's just a syllabus quiz, and then setting up your Explore Learning account. So everything that you need is within this page. If you're setting up your Explore Learning account, that means you are going to follow the directions that are listed here. You're going to go to this website, you're going to put in this code, and then I ask you at the bottom to send me a screenshot so that I can see you're enrolled in my class, and that screenshot would just be uploaded into this right here. If you're taking your new student assignment, it's super easy. It's 5 questions and it's based on the syllabus. The syllabus is here in the course materials, so if you need to have the syllabus open while you're doing the new student assignment, then I'm fine with that. The second thing I like to go over is that every week, and more than likely 2 times a week, I post class announcements for you. Like today is September 16th, and I posted what we did in class today. I mentioned that if you weren't able to attend the class, that you can see the CC recordings, and so the CC recordings are always going to be here. You just simply click on this link. It'll take you to a Google Doc that looks like this. Anything on the right is a live link and you can touch it, so you can watch every single recording for every single class that we've had all the entire year. If you see something in pink, that means there's like a Word document or something that you should have had with it. But at any rate, if you do miss a class, then you can always come here and watch the recording. The second thing I would like to mention is that a lot of you will have, other than your new student assignments, you will have assignments that I'm going to ask you to do. We do quizzes most likely 2 times a week, and sometimes we have labs. So if at any point you notice that I tell you, hey, I want you to take the mid-unit exam, or I also want you to take the quiz that we covered yesterday, all of that content is going to be in here. Unit 1, A is for Atom. So if you click there, anything that you have that's an assignment that's due is going to be here. So if you're just starting, the nuclear atom, all of this stuff is not going to pertain to you. But if I told you like, hey, I want you to take the mid-unit test, then you would say, okay, well, here is a Word document for it to help me. It has some important information. Here's the PowerPoint presentation that she used, and then here's the actual test that I can take. It tells you when it opened and when it was due, but you can take it at any time. If you are going to be attending like a gizmo, I'll tell you, hey, today we're doing the nuclear decay gizmo, and so there's a Word document that you will use in class to actually complete the gizmo, and then you will turn it into the Dropbox. So anything that you may need will always be here. And then last but not least, I wanted to go over your course plan. I like to have this open for you guys to be able to see like what is it that we're doing in class this week. So today we did the nuclear gizmo. On the 17th, if you click it, it'll tell you like, hey, this is what's supposed to be done, so on and so forth. If something is due, you'll see a due date like this. It says 8 a.m. and so you know, oh, okay, that's due. There's something due on this day. So that's pretty much it. Most important thing is to make sure that you are paying attention to the announcements, that you watch the recordings if you need them, that you go into your new student start here and do the 2 assignments that I have for you, and then anything else within the email that I asked you to complete would just be here under Unit 1, A is for Atom. So hopefully this gives you a good introduction of how to run my class. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to email me. My email is always here. Telephone number is there. Alright guys, hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.